Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna head up to Bonners Ferry, Idaho for a few days, do some fishing, hang out. Should be gorgeous up there. If you don't know where Bonners Ferry is, it's way up in the northern panhandle of Idaho, about 20 miles from the Canadian border. So way up there. Should be a fun little trip and see new parts of the country that we haven't seen before, so that should be pretty cool. Alright, we made it here to Bend. Did have to take a little pee break not too far south of here. Seems like 2.5 hours in the airplane is a little difficult in the morning. So afternoon seems to be a lot easier. But we made it here to Bend. We didn't have fuel at the other place, so we had to stop here for fuel. It's a really busy airport. Lots of flight training going on, even helicopter training, and even some private jets too. It's pretty cool. As you can see, lots of trees around it. It's pretty flat right here, but you got some mountains off to the west. It's about another 2 hours and 45 up to Bonners Ferry from here. Not sure if we're going to make it all the way in one stop or not. If we have to stop again, that's all right. But we'll see how it goes. Alright, we made it here to Bonners Ferry. And this time our bladders lasted the whole 2.5 hours, so it wasn't a problem in the afternoon. It just seems like the morning you got to get it emptied out. It's real pretty around here, especially at Lake Pendorial just to the south here. A little cloudy today, had some few sprinkles on the windshield on the way in, went around a little shower. But I think it's going to be fun weekend. Well, today we spent the whole day fishing on a couple different lakes up here, and man, this place is awesome. You can see behind us here, had this huge valley. I don't know if you can see it, but the river back there is the Kootenai River, and it runs up from Canada and down through Bonners Ferry and on over into Montana. But wow, this place is incredible. Everything is so green. Probably one of our favorite parts is that how green everything is, because things aren't very green in Nevada. But yeah, that is just beautiful area. We love it. It's been a little cloudy, but great. We caught like
20 fish.
20 fish. Hunter, she caught more than I did. Of course, she's the better fisherman. So, but yeah, we're loving it up here so far. Having a great trip. Look at that.
Saw my bait.
Hunter, first cast of the day. This new little lake. It's tiny. I don't know. This is maybe 5 acres. First cast. Some just took her bait in the water for just a couple minutes. Maybe that's a good sign. We had another successful day of fishing today. I think between the 2 days, we caught like over 40 fish. So that was our goal up here, was to just come relax, catch a lot of fish, and we succeeded. I did want to say a couple things about Bonners Ferry, just a couple observations. To start with, the airport was really nice, and I have nothing but good things to say about the people here. Everyone we've met has been incredibly nice and helpful, and that definitely starts with the people at the FBO at the airport. So if you're a pilot and you get up to northern Idaho, be sure to make a stop in Bonners Ferry. They're great people, and they'll do anything to help you out. But man, it's awesome up here. We've had a great trip, and we hope to come back sometime. So tomorrow morning we're gonna head back to Reno, and hopefully we have a nice flight back. All right, we're back here at the Bonners Ferry Airport, ready to head home. Some high overcast clouds, but otherwise a pretty nice day to fly. We are going to be bucking a pretty good headwind most of the way home, which is a bummer, but you go west, most of the time you're in a headwind. So hopefully we have a good flight.
Boundary County traffic, RV 2 Romeo Victor, departing runway 20 to the south, climbing 8,500, Boundary County. RV 642 Romeo Victor is over Hells Canyon Dam, southbound through the canyon at 6,500.
right, we stopped here, and I think this is Council, Idaho, for fuel. We were going to go a little bit farther southeast, but we decided to make a stop here instead. There's not much here other than a fuel tank, a runway, and a bathroom. So the bathroom is good. It's still a pretty area. It's actually really warm. It was, of course, nice and cool when we left Bonners Ferry way up north, and now it's sunny and warm here. I would guess it's probably like 75 or 80 already. I think we can make it one more leg the rest of the way. Might be closer to 3 hours. We had a little bit of I'd say about a 15 knot headwind most of the way here. So, you know, I'm sure we'll be hitting that all the way back. But yeah, so this is a neat little spot. It's always fun to try new airports and ones that people don't come into very often. So check another one off the list. All right, we made it back to Carson here. Man, that was a long leg. It was almost 3 hours. We were getting hot and tired and getting bumped around pretty good, and we were staying lower, so we didn't have quite as much of a headwind, and it was pretty hot down there. I think it's like 90 degrees here in Carson, so it's still pretty warm, a few thousand feet up. But we had a great trip, and we hope to get back up there sometime. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.